See, remember, he said that God is light, and in him is no darkness at all.
Amen.
That's how we trying to get light, no darkness at all. But I got people in the circle that they don't come out before dark.
Amen.
How many of you know? That's a simple message today, but it's a message just to get you to search yourself. Who do you talk to?
Amen.
Who you communicating with? And is the people you communicate with helping you to get closer to the Lord, or are they pulling you away from the Lord? It's one or the other. And are you willing to get the people out of your circle that don't need to be in there?
Yes.
It's very simple. But it calls you to search yourself and evaluate who you are around. And evaluate who you let in your circle. But there's always people trying to get in your circle now. To my young sisters, say this in closing. To be wise, because you're going to have young men that come at you from all type of angles with all type of agendas. You're going to have to be like the people in Missouri they call the show me state. They can tell you whatever, show me. I don't believe you.
Amen.
You saying I'm lying? I'm saying I don't believe you. Now I'm telling you most of the time they lying.
Yes.
Because they got one thing in their mind. They just throwing stuff against the wall to see what's there. Young men, you have to be mentally and morally strong. Not easy, especially now.
Yes.
There was a time when I was growing up that you kind of had to approach and push up on the lady. They wasn't going to come to you. That time is gone. They come up to y'all. I see it all the time. You ain't got to approach them. They'll approach you.
Amen.
It wasn't always like that. So I say to y'all got to be focused.
Right.
But they'll come up to you now.
Yes, they will.
Tell you exactly what it's different. It wasn't always like that.
Amen.
In a different time now. You got to be focused.
Yes.
Be careful who you let in your circle.
Yes.
Who is in your circle, who you communicate with, who you around. That's going to determine a lot. We're thankful for the word today, and we're thankful for all that the Lord has done. Just in a way, we will have, God willing, by Wednesday, we'll have a calendar for the month of February. We'll be going into fasting. February 1st starts on Saturday, so the first Sunday is the 2nd of February. But we, Lord's willing, to have all those calendars and information out on Wednesday night. Praying and thanking God just for keeping us. Let's continue to pray for Bishop Butler and Sister Butler.
Amen.
And also, the saints, they have refreshments. But let's remember this. Amen. I'm thankful just for the Lord bringing. I thank God for Brother Justin again, his testimony. I'm thankful for everything. But let's remember that also we will be having a meeting with the Brothers of Unity on the second Sunday of February, which will be February the 9th. So it was just a couple of things, housekeeping. Okay. Fourth Monday prayer as well, which will be tomorrow. And then Fourth Monday prayer, thank you, at 7 o'clock. And looked at the weather, so the weather's supposed to be warming up a little bit, snow melting, so we should be good. But Fourth Monday prayer on tomorrow. And then we have any other announcements? Everybody all right today? Amen. Thank God for seeing Brother Lee. Amen. Thank God for seeing Brother Bernie. We're thankful to see everybody. Thankful again. Young people, y'all unfortunately got to go back to school now. Enjoying myself, taking this time off and all of that. And we head back to it tomorrow. But God be with us and let's go home praying for one another. Ask everyone to stand.